Y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Des. I create lifestyle content. This channel has started to become a lot more like travel vlog based. I am editing a vlog currently. I'm on a house sit. So if you guys are new to my channel, I am a house slash pet sitter and I travel around the country and internationally doing house sits. Go ahead and follow my new YouTube channel, Take a Sit. We will be doing interviews with other house slash pet sitters or anyone that works in the pet care space. In this vlog, I am actually currently on a house sit. It's about 4 p.m. and I've been here since yesterday in Charlotte, North Carolina, and that's what we're doing, y'all. So right now I'm about to make some lunch because I'm starving. So I'm currently making a steak. I already seasoned it up. What I use for my steak is olive oil, salt, pepper. I'll probably add a little garlic as it starts cooking. I'm not at my house, so I use what's available to me, but I do always go grocery shopping. So as far as sides, I got some frozen Brussels sprouts. I love Brussels sprouts. I've never tried frozen Brussels sprouts, so we're gonna try these. I have to get my veggies in even on vacation. I got some cheddar Gouda mac and cheese from Publix. This is one thing I missed about. We don't have Publix in Dallas, so I'm so happy. The smoked Gouda is really good. It does have a smoked taste. And then I'll just finish off this carrot ginger turmeric kombucha, and that's gonna be lunch. The reason why the vlog is not up is because the reason the last vlog is not up is because I'm having issues with my computer. So I brought my computer with me here so that we can go to a computer repair shop and see if they can help me fix my mouse tracking pad. Like, I've tried everything, restarting, cleaning out the tracking pad, all these things. It's not working, so we're gonna go to the professionals and hopefully I can get that vlog up. In the meantime, in between time, this is one of the dogs that I'm pet sitting. After I'm done eating lunch, I'll go ahead and take them for a walk. There's two of them. This is number one. This is Finn. And then in here we have Huck. He's a little bit on the shy side, but y'all will meet both of them a little bit later. They definitely will come out for some treats, but yeah, they're not really messing with me right now because they want to go outside. Oh, here's my finished product, that Publix smoked Gouda mac. The Brussels sprouts, I boiled them and then I like seared them and seasoned them up. And then the steak is just simple. I put the garlic on everything while I was cooking. So I'm about to eat this. And then we got a little project to do. Good morning, y'all. Okay, so today is Friday. I think today is like the 27th. I just got dressed, ready to go. I am about to go look at some apartments. It's a part of like the itinerary of just seeing what Charlotte got to give. What do the locals be? Where do y'all live? What is, you know what I mean? So I am about to crate the boys so I can go. I try not to leave them for more than like 6 to 8 hours. I don't know.
I don't want to get synthetic hair.
No.
I'm like, damn it, they're not nice. I don't know.
Girl, that's what I'm telling you. If you do your own twist, and you got a wig back there that you just threw to the side that you do not care about, use one of them.
And then say, hey.
Okay, y'all, so we are about to do the first tour at Rhyme Pros. I'm really not a fan of the environment, so this is probably a no for me, but I feel like it's pretty affordable if you're looking for something under $1,500 a month. I think that's what he said. Oh, it is 7 a.m. I am so tired. Good morning, boys. So, what time is it? Alexa, what time is it?
Right now, it's 7:01 a.m.
Oh, okay, yeah, 7:01. It's just gloomy out. Good morning. So, the boys are awake. I'm about to give them their breakfast for the day. I was instructed, so I always just follow what the host give me on the house sits, but this house sit in particular, he didn't tell me how much food to give them, so I kind of just, it just really be vibes. But I do love this tin can. So they get a mix of dry food and they get canned food, and then I just changed their water. So that's what I'm about to do right now. And this one right here, like, he do not play about his food. Like, he's always standing attention, ready for his food. Okay, hopefully y'all can see me. Hopefully the lighting is okay, but I'm ready for the day. It is almost 11 o'clock and I have to meet with a friend. We're gonna meet at this spot called MilkBread. It's near like that downtown area, actually not far from where I'm staying. So he picked a good spot, but this is the dress that I'm wearing. It is a turtleneck mini dress, sweater dress from, I believe, Shein. And then I got these boots. They are actually a suede material, suede combat boots. And I think they're really pretty and feminine, because I already have leather boots, so I just wanted, you know, a new texture. So I love the texture of these boots with the sweater. My hair styled in a half up, half down. I've been wearing the half up, half down a lot lately. And jewelry from Amazon. You guys, I do have an Amazon storefront. These items will be linked. I've been working on updating it, so it is organized, categorized. So all you guys have to do is click on that link if you want to purchase anything that I may have. But this is what I have. This is what we're wearing for today with my little black Amazon bag. So let's go, because I don't want to be late. Okay, this is the chicken biscuit. Let's see. You can't really mess up a chicken biscuit. So, dang, I forgot to ask him for jelly. And it's big. Well,
you want to ask what to do?
They XOXO.
Oh yeah, that's what it's supposed to be. And they building something right here now too.
Yeah, definitely developing.
Oh yeah, Charlotte booming right now. Oh, it's a nice little spot, but it's expensive. But they food good and they drinks bomb. Right here at the edge, just right called y'all push up. It's called Spice. Spice right there, Spice busting. But it ain't cheap. It's gonna run you a pretty penny.
First Ward Park. Oh, it's just like a plaza center.
Yeah, this ain't really about nothing. You know, the library over there. Yeah.
What was that? I literally just got back in the house, and one thing about one thing about house sitting is sometimes they'll get packages and ask you to kind of do things with the packages. So the host actually got a package, some live plants. So I'm about to just open them, and he told me to put them outside. Basically, that's what I'll do. Some other plants came the other day, and I actually had to like pot them, which I've never done before, but I did the best I could per his instructions, of course. And then if they have any other packages, I'll go get them and put them somewhere where they'll find them when they come in. And I feel like being able to do those things help build trust for you to get a good review. So just follow directions. Literally, it's so easy, so easy. Ooh, y'all. Okay. So it is almost 6 p.m. Today is Saturday. I think today is March 1st. But after having breakfast with my friend, we actually drove around and I got to see more of Charlotte, so that was cool. And I told him that I'm actually, you know, looking at places and things like that in the area. So he told me to go to Concord area. So I did go to Concord and looked at some apartments. I actually really liked those areas. So I won't be including that in this vlog because I actually like that area, you know what I mean? But I have another friend here. Her name is Minister Brittany. We met through TikTok, and so social media, it can also be a place that connects like-minded people. She is such a sweet woman with such a powerful testimony. And so we agreed to meet today around 6 p.m. to grab tacos. And she's in the Matthews area. I did want to look at apartments there too, but I started running out of time. So we'll go with the tacos. But right now, I want to go to Whole Foods and grab her some flowers because I am a big believer in showing people tangible acts of love as best I can, or experiences, or you know, anything like that. And definitely don't come empty-handed. That's just how I was raised, y'all. Even though I'm not going to her home, her and I have had a rapport with each other for some time, so I will be a little late, but it's for a good reason. I could have just got her flowers from Publix, but I really wanted to take that extra step and have the flowers get wrapped because I just want to encourage her and let her know like she's doing great things, and she really inspires me with her boldness for Christ. Especially because I'm not sure if I said it on my channel, but I actually got baptized last year in November, and so a lot about me has changed, and the people I surround myself with, and everything like that, and just friends have been falling, and just everything. So we'll talk more about my growth spiritually and everything like that one day, but for right now, I am in a happy place, and I am so open to being generous to others because God has truly just shown me so much grace and mercy and gentleness, and sent so many people to encourage and uplift me along the way. So I'm hoping that that's what I can do for her today, and grab some tacos, you know. There is a literal monster in the house. Like literally, I've never had this happen on a house set. I opened the outside door to let the boys out to use the bathroom this morning. While I showered, gave them breakfast, I forgot to close the door, and there is a monster in the house, y'all. Yo, what do I do? He's in the room now. How do I get this bird out? Look. Oh my God, he's flying everywhere. He's gonna get hit. So he's trying to get out, but baby, I can't help you out. Hey. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna call the cops. Oh, I legit do not know what to do, so I'm gonna call 911 because I'm scared. I don't want to hurt this bird. I do have mace, but I don't want to, you know, I flew here, I ain't grew here, so we need to figure out. Literally, I learned an important lesson. Hello?
Hello, 911, do you need police, fire, medics?
Maybe fire. It's not anything urgent, but there's a bird trapped inside of my house, and I don't know how to get it out.
Fire won't come out for that, I can tell you that much.
Ooh, it's tough.
Yeah.
I know it seems petty, but I don't want to. If I have a broom and I have pepper spray. If the bird, I just don't want to get in trouble. I don't know how to get the bird out. I'm sorry.
Right. If we get you animal control, they might be able to assist. I'm not exactly sure, but hold on.
Okay.
All right, let me. Yeah. Let me ask him patrol folks.
Yes, thank you. Oh, he tried so hard to get the bird out the window sill. But I know you're not about that life, baby. It's okay. Thank you. You're such a good boy. Good morning, good morning, good morning, or good afternoon, good night, whatever time of day it is that you're watching this vlog. It is my last day here in Charlotte. Now I'm doing the usual thing that I always do after sits. I like to make sure I leave the place how it was when I came in. So just kind of tidying up, you know, doing my laundry, washing dishes, throwing out trash. Boys are good. I really want to walk them, but I'm kind of running out of time. Oh, they look so sad, like they know I'm about to leave. So we'll see if I can get that done. I always put any packages that the host has somewhere where they can see them. He got a lot of packages while I was here, actually. Everything is good here. I always make sure I check all the bathrooms. So this is kind of like a little tour for y'all, but I do my walkthrough. The backyard should be good. I just put the plants that he got outside like he told me to, so it's looking good. It's about to actually start raining, so I do want to go ahead and get a move on it. Backyard's good. I always ask if they need me to pick up any droppings, but usually if they don't say it, they don't need you to. He actually has like a lawn service, so we're good there. The toys are fine. They leave toys everywhere, you know, they're just playing. You don't want me to go? Me either. Love this. I love this painting. I didn't use any of the other rooms, but there are other rooms that I had access to. I do need to put that screen back because after Birdgate, I was just so tired. I gotta put that screen back. But I want to make sure the dogs didn't do anything crazy. Looks good. Bring this down. This is the room that I slept in. He did ask me to change the sheets, so I'm about to do that right now. Cleared everything out the closet, so that's good.